Americans throw away 12 million tons of furniture every year. But walk into any truly expensive home and you'll notice something strange. Their furniture doesn't look like it came from this decade, or the last one, or even the one before that. These designers know three laws that most people completely miss. And the third law, it's the one that turns a house into a legacy. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never waste money on home design again. Law 1. The popularity paradox. Here's the brutal truth about timeless home design. If everyone suddenly wants it, you probably shouldn't buy it. I call this the popularity paradox. And it's destroying millions of homes right now. Think about it. That viral furniture hack you saw on TikTok last month? 3 million people saw it too. Now it's everywhere. Coffee shops, waiting rooms, every third home on your street. And suddenly it doesn't feel special anymore. It feels cheap, mass-produced, forgettable. This is the hidden cost of instant trends in home design. Real timeless furniture works the opposite way. It builds reputation slowly, over decades, not days. Mid-century modern chairs took 40 years to become iconic. Chesterfield sofas? Over a century, they never chased virality. They earned respect through quiet excellence. Here's your first design rule. Before you buy anything for your home, ask yourself, is this popular right now? Or has this been valued for years? If it exploded on social media in the last 6 months, walk away. If it's been quietly purchased by designers for the last 20 years, that's your signal. Timeless home design isn't about following trends. It's about recognizing what has already survived them. The furniture that outlasts fads is always the furniture that never needed them in the first place. Law 2. The nature blueprint. Now here's where timeless interior design gets really interesting. Because there's actual science behind why some rooms just feel right. Your brain is running a constant background check on everything you see. And it's comparing it all to nature. This isn't abstract, it's biology. There's a mathematical sequence hidden in sunflowers, pine cones, seashells, even in your hand. Designers call it the golden ratio. And when furniture follows these proportions, something clicks in your brain. You can't explain why you like it, you just do. The most expensive-looking home designs use this principle everywhere. The ratio of your sofa width to your coffee table, the height of your lamp compared to your side table. When these numbers align with nature's math, the space feels balanced, harmonious, right? But here's the part most people miss about timeless furniture. It's not just about proportions. It's about materials that age like living things. Leather that darkens with time, wood that develops a patina, brass that oxidizes into character. These materials don't fight aging, they embrace it. Just like tree bark or river stones. Cheap furniture tries to fake this. Plastic printed to look like wood. Vinyl pretending to be leather. But your brain knows. It recognizes the lie. And over time, these materials don't age gracefully. They just look worn out. Even your color choices follow this law. Sand, olive, rust, charcoal. These earth tones connect to what your brain already understands as permanent, as natural, as timeless. Here's your second rule for timeless home design. Choose materials and proportions that mirror nature. Because nature's been perfecting design for millions of years. And your brain trusts what nature approves. Law 3. The soul factor. But here's the law that separates good design from timeless design. And it has nothing to do with looks or logic. It's about emotion, about story, about soul. Some furniture just makes you want it, even when it doesn't make sense. Even when cheaper options exist. There's something deeper pulling you in. This is the soul factor. Think about classic design pieces you recognize instantly. The Eames chair, the Barcelona chair, the Noguchi table. You don't just see them as furniture. You see them as pieces of design history. As objects that witness decades of human life. They carry weight, not physical weight. Cultural weight, emotional weight. And here's what's fascinating. Some objects gain this soul the moment you buy them because they're connected to a bigger story. They're heritage pieces. Design classics. Icons that let you participate in something larger than your living room. But other objects? They gain soul slowly. Through your life, your memories. That dining table where your family gathers. The chair where you read every morning. These pieces become timeless because they absorb your story. This is why thrifted furniture often feels more special than brand new pieces. It comes with history already embedded. Someone else's story becomes part of yours. And this is why cheap, mass-produced furniture will never be timeless. It's designed for attention, not for legacy. It's built to be replaced, not remembered. Your third law of timeless interior design? Choose pieces that either carry a story or have the quality to build one with you. Because furniture without soul is just stuff taking up space. So there they are. The 3 laws of timeless home design that architects use but rarely share. Avoid what's viral. Follow nature's blueprint. Choose pieces with soul. These aren't just design tips. They're investment strategies for creating a home that looks expensive forever without chasing every passing trend. If this changed how you think about timeless furniture and home design, hit that subscribe button. We break down design secrets like this every week. And drop a comment telling me which law surprised you most. I read every single one. Your home should tell your story, not Instagram's. Now you know how to make that happen.